jingle bell rock.
Easy, Massive and crew wishing everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, season's greetings and all that. I know it's a bit late on the channel, been spending some time with some family members and some quality time with the family. You know how it goes this time of year. But hey, I want to give you a heads up about tonight. It's New Year's Eve and I've got a nice little Dub Plate Wars session lined up, starting early and then rolling on a little bit late, with some tunes and some reminisce and all them vibes there, and plenty of little old school reminisce trophies to win for the crew them. You know, it's going to be fun for those who can let me know names of tunes, etc. So get your A game on, get yourself into the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and look out for notifications. We're going to go live tonight. It's going to be good vibes for everyone who's staying at home, out and about, whatever the case may be. Share with your friends, family. Peace out, people. See you there. I just want to say thank you very much for all your support during the year. We now hit 11.3k subscribers and counting. Big up, people. Lovely.